I tend to like that sort of wooden sound. So it's not quite dirty and it's not quite clean. And the problem that I find is that most guitar amp simulators have troubles getting this clean going very slightly into dirty sort of sound. Today's amplifier it's a JTM45 clone, the Marshall JTM45, the 1965 amplifier, which itself was a clone of a 59 Fender Bassman. This has JJ tubes, I think, and a high power transformer, maybe? I don't remember. I've got the A and B channels jacked together. I've got a custom cabinet with a 12-inch Celestion Alnico Blue, which that Alnico Blue is it's been around for a while, so it's broken in. And it's got a 10-inch Weber, which is also a very nice sounding speaker. The Alnico Blue is loud. It's a very efficient speaker, and it sounds great. But even inside a road case, inside my closet, with the door closed, it's just too loud for me, or for my neighbors, I should say. I've got a Shure SM57 draped over it, and yep, it's sitting there at a 90-degree angle to the cone. And that's just the sound I have been enjoying lately. The Kemper Profiling amplifier solves two big problems that I have. One is that I like to record and rehearse in my apartment, and I have neighbors. And two is the kind of guitar sound that I tend to like to get is the sort of a guitar sound that you'd get from a tube amplifier that doesn't have a master volume control that's turned all the way up. What I usually find being an issue with a lot of guitar emulators is there's something about the way they just don't sing right. And I really don't have that problem with the Kemper sound. And it opens up nicely. It opens up nicely and it backs off nicely. I'm pretty happy with this little box, and of course I can play at night without irritating anybody.